Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give the book back answers in English for 6th standard. It is supplementary unit 1, Think to Win. So those who have the book, you can take the book, children. It is page number 105. First, they have given choose the correct answer. So we'll start with the choose the correct answer now. First one, girls, you are a good team. Which team do the girls belong to? So the four options are given there. A, badminton, B, hockey, C, relay, and D, volleyball. So what will be the answer, children? Is A, page number 105, children, is choose. So the answer is C, relay. So mark it in your book, children. Then Springfields is the name of a dash. A, team, B, house, C, company, and D, school. So the correct answer is D, school. Third one, the inter-school sports meet refers to competitions among the dash. So four options are there. A, teams of the same school. B, schools in the locality. C, schools in the neighborhood. D, schools from other districts. So the correct answer is B, schools in the locality. Schools in the locality. Mark it properly, children. Then fourth one, Seema is Rucha's dash. A, friend, B, teammate, C, younger sister, D, opponent. So the correct answer is C, younger sister. Then the last one, order the names of the members in Team B relay event. Shabnam was followed by A, Neelam, Aruna, Rucha, B, Aruna, Rucha, Neelam, C, Neelam, Rucha, Aruna, and the D is Aruna, Neelam, Rucha. So the correct answer will be A, children. That is Neelam, Aruna, and Rucha. So have you marked, children? So next we will go to the B, answer the following. Mark it properly, children. Now take your classwork and start writing it. Write neatly without making any mistakes. So the next is B, answer the following. It's in the same page, questions are there, children. Answer the following. So I'll write only the answers for you all. You can take the question from the book, children. So first the question is, how does Rucha differ from her sister? So first answer, Rucha is over protective of herself. Protective of herself. She never did things rashly. Even in running and playing, even in running and playing, she would be conscious. She would be conscious of her movements. But Seema, her younger sister was bold and was ready to take any risks. Okay, children, this is the first answer. And the second one is the question, Springfields has a runner and they call her P.T. Usha. Why did they call her so? So the answer is, as the runner runs very fast, like P.T. Usha, they call her so. So this is our second answer. And the third answer, the question is, describe the qualities of the new PT instructor, Mr. Prakash. So the answer is, the new PT instructor was very enthusiastic about sports and drove the children hard, praising them, scolding, and correcting them. But most of time he encourages and advises them a lot. Then the fourth answer. Question is, what words were ringing in Rucha's ears when she was running in the relay? So when Rucha was running in the relay, her PT sirs words came to her mind. Think to win were the words ringing in her ears. Okay, children. Now the fifth answer is the question, what did Rucha finally realize about herself? Answer, she realized that she had overcome her hesitations and denials. She could win whenever she chosen to do. Okay, children. So 5 questions for you all. And then after this, page number 106. See, read the lines. So have you all taken this in your notebook, children? So shall I run? take down neatly without making mistakes. It will be easier for you to learn, children. Write neatly. So, see page number 106. Read the lines and answer the questions. The lines and answer the questions. Okay, children. Now, first one. The lines are: his voice came from some distance away, and Rucha realized that he was not holding the bicycle anymore. I will fall, she wailed. So these are the lines, children. The question is, what was she afraid of? So A, answer is, she was afraid of losing her balance and that she may fall down. So this is the A answer. Okay. Now B is, was the boy closely following her? Okay. The answer is no. The boy was not closely following her. Okay, this is the first one. Second one is, lines are, for the past 2 weeks he had been teaching her to write. So the first A question is, who was teaching whom? Answer, Vishnu was teaching Rucha. Okay, and the B is, what was he teaching? He was teaching Rucha to ride the bicycle. So what was he teaching, children? To ride the bicycle. Okay, children. So this is the second one. Third, even P.T. Usha came to shake her hand. I thought I was fast, but you were simply superb. She shook hands with her. So these are the lines. The question is, who does the word you refer to? Okay. So you refers to Rucha the winner. Rucha the winner. Okay, children. The next is B. What quality of the speaker is revealed? The speaker's attitude. Speaker's attitude to take her loss sportively, and the good heart to praise the opponent's ability. Opponents means opposite to it. Okay, opponent's ability. Those who are playing opposite to us. Okay, that is called opponent. Opponent's ability. Okay, children. So once again, I'll tell you all. First is, she was afraid of losing her balance and that she may fall down. Second question is, was the boy closely following her? No, the boy was not closely following her. Then next is, who was teaching whom? Vishnu was teaching Rucha. Then what was he teaching? He was teaching Rucha to ride the bicycle. So then third A, you refers to the Rucha the winner. And B, what quality of the speaker is revealed? The speaker's attitude to take a loss sportively and the good heart to praise the opponent's ability. So children, when you're writing in the notebook, write with the question, okay? The book is question is in the book itself. So first write the question and then write the answer. Then take page number 108. That is, find the odd one out, okay? So I'll just write which is the odd one. You just mark it, okay? Mark which is the odd one out in the book. That is in page number 108. Page number 108. Okay, children. So, find the odd one out. So, you can mark it in the book itself, children. Find the odd one out. So, the first one, example they have given there, weightlifting, boxing, silambam and fencing. So the answer already they have given there, weightlifting, okay. Next, first one, hide and seek, kho-kho, tennis-court and kabaddi. So what will be the answer there, odd one? Hide and seek. Hide and seek is the odd one there. The next is the badminton, cycling, tennis and squash. So the odd one is cycling. Then third, trapeze, throw ball, bowling and goal ball. So the answer is bowling. Then fourth, snooker, polo, 5 pins and a carrom board. So what will be the answer, children? Yes, polo. Then fifth one, cricket, baseball, hockey and the basketball. So answer is basketball. Have you all marked, children, which is the odd one here? So I have given you the answers in this lesson. That is supplementary. So what and all I gave for you all, that is choose the correct answer. I have already marked. Once again I will say the choose the correct answer, children. Just see whether it is correct. On page number 105. First one, C, relay. Second one, D, school. Third one, B, schools in the locality. Then fourth, C, younger sister. Fifth, A, Neelam, Aruna and Rucha. Okay, this is the choose correct answer. Then answer the following, all the 5 answers I gave. I think I have written in the notebook, children, clearly. Then next is C, page number 106. Read the lines and answer the questions. So only the answers I have given. When you are writing in the notebook, write with the question, children, okay? Then page number 108. Find the odd one out. So answers I have written there. You can mark it in the book and write the boxes are given there. Write the answers there in the box, children, okay? So with this we are finishing the supplementary. So in the next class, in the unit 2, we have to write the poem and the supplementary is there, children, in the unit 2, okay? So in the next class we will see this. Thank you, children.